The first Dalai Lama Gendun Drup 1391 to 1474. The second Dalai Lama Gendun Gyatso 1475 to 1542. The third Dalai Lama Sonam Gyatso 1543 to 1588. The fourth Dalai Lama Yunten Gyatso 1589 to 1617. The fifth Dalai Lama Ngawang Lobsang Gyatso 1617 to 1682. The sixth Dalai Lama Tsungyang Gyatso 1683 to 1706. The seventh Dalai Lama Keltsang Gyatso 1707 to 1757. The eighth Dalai Lama Jamphal Gyatso 1758 to 1804. The ninth Dalai Lama Lungtok Gyatso 1805 to 1815. The 10th Dalai Lama Tsultrim Gyatso 1816 to 1837. The 11th Dalai Lama Kendrup Gyatso 1838 to 1856. The 12th Dalai Lama Trinley Gyatso 1857 to 1875. The 13th Dalai Lama Thubten Gyatso 1876 to 1933. The 14th Dalai Lama Tenzin Gyatso 1935. The first Panchen Lama, Kedrup Galek Palsang, 1385 to 1438. The second Panchen Lama, Sonam Choiki Lanpo, 1439 to 1504. The third Panchen Lama, Lobsang Dhondup, 1505 to 1566. The fourth Panchen Lama, Lobsang Choiki Gyaltsen, 1570 to 1662. The fifth Panchen Lama, Lobsang Yashi, 1663 to 1737. The sixth Panchen Lama, Lobsang Palden Yashi, 1738 to 1780. The seventh Panchen Lama, Lobsang Tenpel Nyuma, 1782 to 1853. The eighth Panchen Lama, Lobsang Tenpel Wangchuk, 1855 to 1882. The ninth Panchen Lama, Lobsang Choiki Nyuma, 1883 to 1937. The 10th Panchen Lama, Lobsang Choiki Gyaltsen, 1938 to 1989. The 11th Panchen Lama, Gethuen Choiki Nyuma, 1989 to